Hello everyone and welcome to the short feature highlight video. Today we're going to be talking about our newly released Reboot reasons charts that users can build within their own custom dashboards. So right now I am in the Memfault platform and I'm looking at the standard overview dashboard. And what users of the platform will know is that within this dashboard we've always had this Reboot reasons chart here where you can see the breakdown of different Reboot reasons over time. What we have just released is the ability to build your own Reboot charts within custom dashboards. So I'm jumping over now into a custom dashboard that I built earlier on, and I have already added one of our new Reboot reasons charts into that dashboard. So what we can see here is a breakdown of Reboot reasons. In this case, we're looking at it basically by population, and for now, because we haven't added any filters, this is all data. And what we can see is a percentage breakdown on a 100% stack chart of the Reboot reasons. I can see what I've got for user shutdowns, hard faults, etc. I can, if I want to, remove some reasons there and just look at a specific set or individual Reboot reason if I wanted to, and of course add them back in as I desire. I can switch it to count if that would be most helpful for me in my specific use case as well. Building one of these charts is really easy. I go over to create chart, I go to create reboots charts, I just need to provide a name, and I can build that chart over here. So the other great thing about Reboot charts is, let's say I wanted to just have this one showing those unexpected Reboot reasons, the hard fault and the assert. I can then also start comparing across software versions. So I'm going to compare my 3 versions here to see if I can spot any trends. And straight away, within this 100% stacked view showing all of my Reboot reasons, I can see that my assert as a Reboot reason has dramatically increased as a percentage of the total from this release, my 1.0 version, into this one, my 1.1.0 version, and then pretty much normalized again for my 1.1.0 version. I can also see over here, if I flipped over to count, I can see an increase in the count of asserts between these 2 versions as well. So this gives me a pretty clear signal that there is likely to be something going on here. This looks pretty undesirable. The great thing about new custom dashboards is I can also line this data up with my metric data now as well. So I have a couple of metric charts built in here. Both of these are rolled up by population, and both of them are looking at percentiles. This one is looking at battery discharge rate. This one is looking at BLE disconnection count. And I can, of course, see a pretty undesirable trend here as well. I can then line this undesirable behavior with metrics up with this change in the Reboot reason behavior too. So I get a pretty clear signal, at least as to where to start my investigation to see if these things are connected. So hopefully that was a useful introduction to these new Reboot charts. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team and we'd be happy to help. Otherwise, we will see you in the next one. Thank you.